Have you ever wondered how a single snowstorm could reshape an entire nation? The Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, struck the United States from March 11th to March 14th, 1888. Beginning in the southeast and moving up the Atlantic coast, this blizzard unleashed unprecedented snow and winds reaching over 60 miles per hour. The storm buried cities like New York, Boston, and Philadelphia under more than 4 feet of snow within just 24 hours. Transportation was brought to a standstill, with trains stranded and telegraph lines down, leaving many areas completely isolated. The aftermath was catastrophic. Over 400 lives were lost, and countless businesses suffered. However, the blizzard served as a catalyst for change. Faced with the chaos, cities began to rethink their infrastructure and emergency response systems. This event pushed urban planners to improve snow removal methods and establish better communication networks. The blizzard revealed vulnerabilities in existing systems, leading to reforms that ultimately modernized transportation and emergency preparedness in the U.S. The Great Blizzard of 1888 stands as a testament to nature's power and humanity's resilience in the face of unforeseen challenges.